Once you have set up your section of the ACH feature, go ahead and invite your tenants to the tenant portal. Using ACH in the tenant portal ensures faster, more secure rent payments and eliminates the need for manual processing. Once in the tenant portal, they will have the option to set up their ACH. This is a simple process for the tenant. For tenants who submit less than $50,000 per month in transactions, all they need to provide is the following information: their name, and their email. Then select the terms and conditions and agree and continue. On the next page, they will set up their bank account. They have the option to connect it directly to their account using Plaid. This is a way to ensure safe and secure payments. Plaid verifies that the funds are in the tenant's account before the transfer takes place. Select the bank account, continue. It must have a phone number, continue again. Select the account and confirm. It's as simple as that. If their bank account is not listed for online access, they can verify their bank account through micro deposits. If they choose to verify their account manually through the micro deposits, they will need to return back to the bank account view to enter the micro deposit information before they can make any transfers. That this process is intended for tenants who will be making transactions of less than $50,000 per month using Stratifolio's ACH. If the total amount, including any applicable service fees, exceeds $50,000 per month, a tenant must become a premium user. This requires completing additional steps to verify both their identity and the identity of their company, which may take a bit longer to complete. Once set up, you will enjoy the ease and reliability of rent collection with tenants paying through ACH, secure, timely, and hassle-free.